Unpacking. Carefully cut the packing tape on top of the carton. Remove everything from the carton except the generator. Accessories display. Owner manual. Generator parallel cables. Pressure relief valve kit. Screwdriver. Oil funnel. Spark plug socket wrench. US plug. US plug. L5-30P to TT30R adapter. Quick operation guide. Caution. Generator dust cover. Before start the generator. Part 1. Add engine oil. Take off the right maintenance cover. Unscrew and remove the oil dipstick. Use the oil funnel to add 0.12 gallons oil, recommended, SAE 10W30 engine oil. Attention, if the oil is not enough, it may not able to start. Tighten the oil dipstick. Part 2. Connect the battery cable. Remove the battery plug protective cover. Connect the battery plug. Install the maintenance cover. Part 3. Fuel selection. Part 3 to 1 gasoline. Remove the fuel cap. The gasoline level should not be higher than the red ring. Add E10 gasoline, fuel tank capacity 1.05 gal. Tighten the fuel tank cap. Turn the fuel switch to the on position. Press the fuel selection switch to the gasoline position. Part 3 to 2 propane, LPG. Connect the propane hose to the inlet on the control panel. Connect the other end of the pressure relief valve kit to the LPG tank. Press the fuel selection switch to the LPG position. Start the generator. Press the main switch to the on position. Make sure low idle off and no green light on. Recoil start. Firmly grasp and pull the recoil handle until you feel increased resistance, then pull rapidly. Electric start. Press the start button down for 1 to 3 seconds to start the generator. Bluetooth start. 1. Search for MaXpeedingRods in the App Store. 2. Scan the QR code in the user manual to download the app. Open the app. Enter My Device interface. Click Login. Click Sign Up to create your account and log in your account. Turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open the app. Enter My Device interface. Click Add Device to add the generator. Press the Reset button on the control panel for 5 seconds. Add the generator successfully. Press the Start button on the app to start the generator. Connect electrical appliances. Stop the generator. Remove all the loads out of the output. Press Startup button to stop the generator. Press Stop button on the app to stop the generator. Press the main switch to the off position. Turn the fuel switch to the off position.